Hello everyone, welcome to the demo for conducting end semester examinations using Microsoft Teams. Well, this tutorial will guide you step by step about how to upload your question papers during the end semester examination so that the students can download that particular paper on their end and write their answers and submit it on the Teams portal. Fine. So you as a faculty, you need to follow certain steps which we have highlighted in this tutorial. So initially you need to open Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. You can do it either using the software installed on your system or you can open it on the browser. In this tutorial, I have opened the Teams on my Chrome browser, and after opening Microsoft Teams, whether on your desktop or on the browser, both the interfaces will be same. You need to click on Teams icon on the left hand side panel. Yeah, so this will give you a view of all the classes you are part of and for which you need to conduct examinations. Right, so for this demo purpose we have this end semester examination 2020 at the rate NITP demo. We have created this class. What we'll click on this class and we'll navigate inside and we'll find that we land on the posts tab. Right, so for creating the assignment, we'll click on assignments and I'll need to click on create. So you'll be presented with three options. Out of this you'll need to select assignment. After clicking on assignment, you will be presented with this screen. You need to enter the title of the examination. So let us say I am entering ubiquitous and the subject code for the same YT642. The 10th semester exam July 2020. So you need to enter the title of the exam which you will be taking here. The next is you need to add the instructions. In this box you can enter all the instructions that you want to provide to the candidate for answering their questions. You can also write the instructions inside your question paper as well as here. So it will be easier for the students to look out for whatever instructions you need to provide. So let us say I am entering here full marks 70 and time is 3 hours. Next is points, just leave this out, not relevant to our current tutorial. The next is assign to. Now this is an important setting. You need to edit this particular setting and make sure that the relevant settings have been applied. So I'll click on edit and you'll see you need to check this particular checkbox, assign to all students added to this class in the future. This will ensure that any student who has been added to the class after the examination for that particular subject has started, the question paper uploaded by the faculty is still visible to him. If this setting is not checked, any students who have been added late in the class or after the question paper has been uploaded, he may not be able to see the question paper. So you'll need to ensure that this particular setting is checked, assigned to all students added to this class in the future. The next is the timelines, that is the date due. Again you'll see there is a edit link under this section. Just click on this and you'll be presented with three different times. The first one is that date and time at which you want your question paper to appear on students Teams portal. So you'll need to select this schedule to assign in future, and let's say I am scheduling this examination tomorrow 12th July Sunday at 9 a.m. So 12th July Sunday at 9 a.m. The next date, that is due date, this will be the date and time at which your examination will conclude. So for this particular examination I'll need to give 3 hours to the students. So I'm setting the due time as 12 p.m. The last one is the close date. You again need to select this close date. Remember, we have provided 30 minutes to the students for scanning and uploading their answer sheets on the Microsoft Teams portal. So this additional 30 minutes will allow the students to upload and submit their assignments on Teams portal. So you need to select half an hour more than that of the due time. So again, the initial post date and post time is the time at which your exam starts. Due date and due time is the time at which your exam concludes. And close date and close time is the time. It's an extra 30 minutes provided to the students for uploading their question paper. Remember, the students can re-upload their answer sheets before the closing time. Once this closing time has passed, the students will not be allowed to submit their answer sheets on the Teams portal. The link will be disabled. So once you have applied these settings, click done. And then the last thing that you need to add is the question paper. So you need to go under instructions section and click on add resources. Now I have already saved my question paper with the subject name and subject code as a PDF file. So you'll see this is my question paper which I'll be uploading on the Teams portal. So what I'll do, I'll go on add resources. I'll click on upload from this device, and then I'll need to select the question paper which I've saved on my desktop. So here it is. Selecting. Once the question paper is uploaded on the portal, you'll see that here it is written uploaded. After this, you need to click on done. And you'll see that your question paper is now attached and is showing on the Teams portal. Once all these things have been completed, you'll simply need to click on schedule to schedule your examination. Now the students will see the question paper on 12th July 9 AM on their portal. So that's all in this tutorial. Thank you.